All right, everybody. We have gotten the first frost this winter for 2023. It's getting a little cold out. We have some wood out here that's been sitting for over a year now, so it's seasoned. It's going to crack good. We got all this filled up, and we're going to try and fill up this whole stack here. It's probably about, I don't know, 8 feet wide. We'll measure it once we set it in place. We're going to move it, and we're using Old Faithful here, the Harbor Freight electric wood splitter, because cutting wood by hand sucks. So if you got electricity, this makes it a lot easier, and it turns it into really a one-person job. But having two people, and you can really process enough wood for the entire season, probably in a day. All right, everybody, this is the 3-year update on the Harbor Freight log splitter. As you can see, 3rd season using it. We're still splitting tons of wood. Thick monsters here. It just eats anything we throw at it. We've done nothing, not even cleaned the unit. We haven't put oil in it, nothing. Just literally used it and put it away till the following year. Some of the stickering rubbed off, and that's because we put extremely large, heavy logs on here, but the only thing you can see is the blade paint has just come off. Nothing's bent, nothing's chipped, and we didn't even touch it up. So we just put it away back inside the shed after we're done, and that's really it. I mean, it just chews up so much wood. There's no leaks, nothing, no real paint fade. So definitely a good purchase. We're gonna finish splitting this wood up to show you exactly how much we split in one day with this. All right, everybody, just in under about 2 hours, we split just under a half, or just under a half cord of wood, because this is 8 feet wide. So it's 4 foot and 4 foot. So just about a half cord, just under it. Not too bad for under 2 hours. You know, it's not a whole season's worth of wood, but again, the Harbor Freight log splitter comes through 3 years in a row. So it's already paid for itself, in our opinion. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.